tired of your pillar caps and your coping stones coming loose? Now there's a couple of theories as to why this might happen. One is that moisture gets into the mortar, and as that mortar freezes, it expands and breaks that bond between your coping stones and the mortar itself. The second theory is that the coping stones are far more porous than the bricks. So when you bed that coping stone into your mortar, it sucks all the moisture out of the mortar before it's had a chance to set and really create a strong bond. Now the good news is, there's one simple solution that will prevent this ever happening again. Follow me and I'll show you how we do it. Now that simple solution, SBR. SBR has been around in the building trade for decades, but for some reason little is known about it in the DIY community. A synthetic polymer, similar to the stuff they put in tile adhesive to really give it that stickiness, that grab, that strong bond. So what we're going to do today is we're going to slightly dilute this SBR and we're going to make a tanking slurry by adding some cement. We're going to brush some of this tanking slurry under the underside of the pillar cap and to the top of the pillar. This is going to seal the underside of the pillar cap and the pillar to prevent it being so porous. But that's not it. We're also going to mix a little bit of this SBR in with our mortar. That's going to help our mortar be more water resistant, preventing it from freezing in the future and breaking that bond between the pillar and the pillar cap. If you have gotten any value from this video, please consider liking it and subscribing. It really does help me more than you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.